Welcome back and welcome to AccuWeather Prime. We have lots of video for you tonight, and you can see some of the funny dance moves that we've got going on. We were talking about those earlier. Also a dust storm in Texas, leaving some pretty interesting sights. And look at the hail building in Kansas. That was enough to create some slick times on roads because there was so much of it covering the roads. More on some of those. We're still getting the rain across Alabama into the Florida Panhandle. Some of those thunderstorms could be strong and severe. And on the northern side, there's still going to be a threat for severe weather. Chicago towards central Michigan and south through much of the state of Indiana, portions of western Ohio. The risk for severe weather is here, and that will include hail potential as well as some isolated tornadoes going on across the country. Let's send it over to Jeff for tonight's Big Three. Western U.S. to deal with some of that snowy potential. So we'll start for the western U.S. and Mammoth Mountain. This is one of those spots they've already established they're going to be skiing into Memorial Day. So that is not a problem. Snow, they have it here. They will get more snow as we head into Wednesday, a little bit, just a flurry or two. I think as we go into the weekend, there's some more potential here for possibly a little bit more snow because Saturday there'll be another offshore system. So does look like some decent skiing weather there. And let's take you to White Pass because this is also in the western U.S. and in the northwest. We have some more of those temperature fluctuations. So we will actually have some chances for rain with the next storm system coming in. That really starts to arrive for Wednesday and does bring the chance for some rain. It's going to be a chilly pattern. And then Thursday, you could also see some rain at the bases. Higher up you go on the mountain, that's where we find a little bit more of that snow potential. Whiteface Mountain in the northeast New York State. 62 degrees Wednesday with some of those showers, quite warm as we go through this week. So the last of the skiing, and we're trying to get that in, trying to hold out for the week of March. And then in Maine, Sugarloaf, we've done better with the snowpack and the colder air, but you can tell we're still going to be in the upper 40s by the time we get into Thursday. As you work your way northward, Michigan, lots of heavy rain. There'll be another line of thunderstorms to illuminate through the days. And that storm total to 1 to 2 feet of snow. So that'll be departing pretty quickly as we go beyond lunchtime, but the winds will be strong. Alabama, though, it is about the heavy rain and thunderstorm activity that could give you a red light for your morning commute. Notice Omaha, Kansas City, both dealing with some delays. Omaha, really, it's the winds that'll be a problem as that storm system departs. Not only is it the wind, it's the precipitation through the Midwest. Showers, thunderstorms pretty likely here for some minor delays. It's a green light for your morning commute in places like Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, Sacramento, California, even Tampa's on the list. However, flight cancellations still remain quite high, around 300 tomorrow, due to the stormy weather, the thunderstorms more specifically. Let's see what's going on around our world. Moments, very scary ones, for the cruise ship passengers after a ship caught fire during the storm over the weekend. Let's take you out and beyond towards the late week and the weekend, which some of you might be honoring Easter as we go through this weekend, celebrating it. Notice we've got a lot of cooler air trying to work in towards the Great Lakes. And by cooler, we mean a taste of late March, basically. So it's not going to be too bad for us. As you push your way off towards the west, you've got some of the rain showers and the snow starting to work its way on in. So we will continue to deal with more moisture throughout the west, but Saturday is pretty interesting because there's a new storm system that hangs off the coast of California, and it's going to bring the chance for wet weather, including Los Angeles and San Diego. So Thursday, Friday, probably a little drier there, but by Saturday we get a bit more moisture. And for Easter Sunday, you can see that storm system is starting to feel more moisture through some of the interior southwest. Meanwhile, there's a lot more rain breaking out.